This could be a bigger blow to Kamal Hassan now, because Samajwadi Party leader Ram Ashray Kushwaha has said that the Akhilesh Yadav government in Uttar Pradesh could move to ban Vishwarupam in Uttar Pradesh. This could be a major setback, because Kamal Hassan is really now looking forward to the Hindi release of Vishwarupam. This is a spy thriller. This is not a movie that is anti against community, any religion. And Kamal Hassan has made this point on more than one occasion. But politicians, are they now playing politics? Do we have super censors in this country? That's the big question that we're asking here on Headlines Today. Let's listen in to Ram Ashray Kushwaha. Before we move on in this bulletin, let's listen in to the Samajwadi Party leader.
लेकिन निश्चित रूप से जैसा कि वो हाई कोर्ट में जाकर के अपनी फिल्म को पास करा लिया है, कल ही की बात है कमल हसन जी ने, तो उत्तर प्रदेश में जब तक हमारा संचार विभाग और ये सब हम लोग देख नहीं लेंगे, अधिकारी देख नहीं लेंगे, तब तक उत्तर प्रदेश में हम उसको चलने नहीं देंगे। वाकई यदि चरित्र का हनन करती है तो उत्तर प्रदेश में वो फिल्म नहीं चलेगी, और यदि अच्छी है, लोगों के हित की है, मनोरंजन कराती है सिर्फ, और हित चिंतन करती है, सैद्धांतिक है, तो उत्तर प्रदेश में चलेगी, नहीं तो नहीं चलेगी।
Once the censor board has given a certification to a movie, why should the Tamil Nadu government or the Uttar Pradesh government play super censors? Are they playing to vote bank politics? Let me quickly bring in Headlines Today's Amir Haq for more on this. Amir, none of these politicians, it seems, have watched this movie in Uttar Pradesh, and yet they are deciding the fate of a movie without even watching it.
Well, Gaurav, as far as the state is concerned, it is usually the issue of law and order that, banking on which the state can ban a particular movie or not. Obviously they haven't seen the Hindi version as yet, and also the Tamil version is not, here in Uttar Pradesh for the government and for the Entertainment Commissioner to see. So, unless and until they see the Hindi version and then, find out whether this is actually offensive to a particular community, the state government obviously does not have a locus standi on the movie. Ram Ashray Kushwaha has only said that we'll have a look on the movie and then see whether it is really offensive to a particular community and whether it needs to be banned. So it's only an issue of law and order. Now the state government hasn't reacted as yet, and we'll have to see further when the Hindi version comes out on whether the state government finally takes a stand on whether to release the movie here in the state or not.
Okay, no, but is there any intelligence input to suggest that law and order may be affected? This almost appears as if the state is abdicating its responsibility, buckling to pressure groups. And the first question is, are there any pressure groups in UP who have protested, or is the government just acting on its own to placate for vote bank politics?
Well, yes, it's actually about the vote bank politics, because we know the Samajwadi Party has always banged on the Muslim vote. So now when we talk about the minority vote, the party comes up, springs up early to defend the cause of the Muslims. And since here we are talking about a movie which is, which some critics are talking about being offensive against a particular community as well as against the Holy Quran at times. So, obviously, it becomes incumbent upon the Samajwadi Party to react in such a manner. But as far as an official confirmation is concerned, there is still no official confirmation on whether the government is looking at banning the movie here in Uttar Pradesh.